Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a Triller video. So this will also show you how to post on Triller so people will be able to see your Triller videos. So first of all, you're going to want to click on the plus button at the bottom of the Triller app there in the middle of the page. You're going to want to click on that. That's going to go ahead and bring up this menu where it says create your music video or social video. So you want to click on whichever one you want of them. I'm going to click on music video for this example. So then here you'll find options, all the music you can pick. You can also click down the bottom there and then do like the Apple Music. It'll be a similar type of thing if you're on Android or whatever. And also you can do like local music access and stuff right there if you want to. I'm going to click one of these ones here. It's going to be the same process whichever one you click for this. Then you can kind of move your music around to kind of know what like seconds you want of it. At the bottom there you can also click like 10 seconds, move it around to wherever you want the music to start playing and stop right there for the amount of time you do want to. Then click the top right hand corner to click film. Once you've done with that, then that's going to bring up your camera to actually start filming the Triller video. So this is where you will start if you do like a social video, by the way. So the music video is just going to be add the music to the start. If you don't do the music video, just do the social video, it will just go to this menu right here. Then what you can do is that you can also flip your camera at the top right there. You can add some filters, do the speed to either like a fast, slow-mo, or just normal there. And you can also do a timer, so like a 3, 2, 1 timer. Once you click it, then you can kind of step back, then start your video after the 3 seconds has went by. But then once you've done that, if you want to add camera roll as well, so you can add like videos from your camera roll into there too. You can zoom in by pressing that 3 button there, and zoom out by pressing the 1. But once you've kind of figured out what you want to do, you want to click the big like red button there to film. Click that once, then it will just like start filming. If you want to like change halfway through, like change scene or whatever, you just tap the button to stop it. Then you can kind of move to a new position and then tap the button again to start filming down there. Do that as many times as you want to. And then you can also edit at the top left hand corner or just discard and start again up there. Once you're done with it, you can click on the bottom right hand corner where it says next. Then you'll be able to view it in here, and once you're done viewing it, if you're happy, click the top right hand corner where it says share. I'm just going to process the video for about a few seconds, and then it's going to bring up this new menu here where you can kind of just name it, do whatever you want with this within here. You can name it, do whatever you want to do with that. You can pick a category for it, and then you can set the private, tag a current location if you want to. But once you're done with all that, you can click post and save in the top right hand corner, and then it'll go creating video. If you haven't like verified your Triller account, you will need to do that first of all. And then once you're done, you've got a couple of options here. You can share this to like your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You also download it. You've got more to do down there. In the bottom right hand corner, as you can see there, that's kind of like doing your video down there. So once you've done with it, you can click done at the top right hand corner. You will have to wait at the bottom there where it sees like that percentage, wait until that's fully 100% done. When it is fully 100% done, that's when your Triller has like been posted. You can kind of like go to your profile there, and you'll be able to click on it, and then you'll see it kind of working. You can also do whatever you want that within there. Click and edit, and then you can kind of delete it if you're not happy with it or whatever in there too. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see my how-to videos on the Triller app. I've got a playlist and also like an overall how to use Triller app there as well. So go do click on them if you want to. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.